Hello and welcome to Miss Rhodey. Today I want to discuss not just a card, but a cozy holiday moment. When I design a Christmas card, I'm not just thinking about ink and paper. I'm thinking about memories, atmosphere, the warmth of a home filled with joy. Each card I create comes with inspiration, not just for gifting, but for living. Here's how you can turn this one card into a cozy holiday moment in your home. You can create a rustic mantle scene. Place the card upright between your favorite pine garland, lantern, and berry stems for a cozy farmhouse look. Frame the card. Add it to a small 5 by 7 inch frame and use it as tabletop decor. This is great for shelves, counters, or your holiday cocoa station. Add it to a gift basket. Slide the card into a plaid basket with hot cocoa packets, mittens, and pine-scented candles for the perfect neighbor or teacher gift. Use cards as keepsakes. Hang past cards from clothespins on twine for a do-it-yourself garland of holiday memories. So whether you're sending joy or styling your home with it, my cards are more than just a message. They're a mood. In this season, I hope you not only give love, but live in it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.